Well, I show you this Royal Crown Derby, an unusual set, this incredibly rare. It's actually they're very, very popular and famous. Imari Unfinished 1128, the Old Imari design, which is usually decorated on top of this under decoration in a very characteristic Imari-esque pattern. But this is the unfinished version. There's quite a bit of it around. It was so popular that they did turn to making this for a period of time. And it's just absolutely stunning in its simplicity, really. Cobalt blue and white, Royal Crown Derby porcelain, quartered walled teacup, 3-inch diameter, with this beautiful, rich, quite coarse edging on this, because this was under decorated to then have the very detailed Imari pattern transfer printed over the top of this and refined. But this is all glazed fully, no Royal Crown Derby marks on the base, plain rim, no gilt or anything on this decoration. It's just a blue and white porcelain trio. Lovely little teacup, this very stunning saucer plate. 5 3/8 inch, I think, from measurement from my memory. Again, in this very striking, very early, almost, this really does look like some very early Chinese or English porcelain. But this is 20th century Royal Crown Derby. And then the side plate, again, with that characteristic decoration pattern all around it. 6.25 inch. You see the translucency of that with this lights coming through the light box. Absolutely clear porcelain china. Really nicely decorated. The trio goes together really beautifully. An absolutely striking piece for collectors of Royal Crown Derby. Looking for something a little unusual. I just love it in terms of its blue and whiteness and its simplicity, and the fact that it's unmarked, but we know it's Royal Crown Derby. Can't be anything else. And it's in beautiful, bright condition. We'll pop a link in the description taking you through to the website listing on the Vintage and Antiques website. We ship internationally from here in the UK. Thanks for watching.